Hi, this is Golden Garage. I'm Carrie Golden, and this is Cruisin the Coast 2023.
Pascagoula, Mississippi, 75 Caprice Classic, all original except the rim. I've been had it about 4 years. It's a cruiser, not a race car, but it's in pretty good shape.
Well, this is Grumpy's Rat Rod. I'm Grumpy, aka Mike, but from Fort Worth, Texas area. Love this party down here at Cruisin the Coast. Been here 6 years now, and a lot of good friends that we come back and see all the time. A lot of local folk that we friended up with, but it's a good party. We made the drive a couple days ago out early into the week, and just looking forward to hanging out with the rest of the folk and seeing all the cool vehicles that are here. It's amazing how many neat rides there are. This one is a 1941 Dodge Cab, and the centerpiece is the engine, which is a 6V92 Detroit, the last of the old two-stroke Detroits. It's all hand built. Set the engine in the middle of the floor, built the frame around it, then added the cab and the rest of the sheet metal to it. And the build actually happened 8 years ago, And since then, I've got 69,000 miles on the build.
Got a hold on me, you can tell by the holes in my pockets. So before they get a hold on you, put your money in the safe and lock it. It's getting hard, mama. It's getting hard. It's getting hard, mama. Yeah, it's getting hard. Train ride, hop out on the east side. The women there look right, but they ain't looking at you. You ain't got nothing. Don't try to get on a song. They don't want it even if you do. It's getting hard, mama. It's getting hard. It's getting hard, mama. It's getting hard. Got a hold on me, I'm hurting, man, I'm bleeding. New York City is a place to be. If a hard time you've been needing. It's getting hard, mama. Oh, it's getting hard. It's getting hard, mama.
Spilling my guts to someone I just met. But I say this much, I got a real good feeling. Yes, I do. Real good feeling. You say you've been burned a few times now. Well, so have I. You say you learned to tell truth from lies. Oh, yes. Just sitting here with you gives me a real good feeling. We're just two lonely souls meeting at a laundromat. Two lonely souls wanting love. We are neither of us blessed with you. Neither
Old gentlemen, that's right.
24 hours serving broken silences. And now the sun's coming up in golden rays. just two lonely souls meeting at a laundromat. Two long...
1, 2, 3, 4.
Pack your things, leave somehow. Blackbird song is over.